Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and this is your very first time here. Please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get reminders every time I post a video, and we're gonna be right back.
That's fine for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from you, I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grow when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you're the main one lying? Are you threatening me and I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you're the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and I'm the main one crying?
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose.
So today's unit was sent to me by Sensationnel, so thank you for kindly sending me this unit. It is from their Bare Lace Glueless Lace Wig collection. It's the new Bare Luxe Lace Wig. Lace so thin, it looks like skin. Oh, that's cute. Lace so thin, it looks like skin. New lace technology beyond HD and transparent, barely allowing any lace visibility. And this is what their promotional paper looks like. It's a non-lift melt, 40% thinner, hyper transparent, 20% larger grid, melt on skin, tear resistant fiber. And then it shows you the difference between the Bare Luxe and then the generic HD. And it also came with 180-degree hairline, ear-to-ear pre-plucked, hand-tied lace area, added baby hair, and this is what it's giving you guys. So this is the style 13x6 unit 1 in the color Secret Highlight Golden Walnut. And I think that that is so cute because there is like a little hidden highlight in here, which I absolutely love. And then it's showing you on the back additional colors that this unit comes in. And even the stock card is pretty cool. It's not the typical stock card. It has the model in there, some information about the unit, and the lace. So you guys, the packaging that it came in was very luxe. I love it. It was very like fashionable and just like it gave the luxury vibe. So I really like the way that they packaged this unit. I will say that I am loving this unit, y'all. It's giving what it's supposed to give. It is, you know, an amazing thin lace, and I was actually surprised because the way that the wig is constructed, it almost feels like you don't have a choice but to glue it down. But it came with 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there, and an adjustable elastic band. So you can take the elastic band off the wig, you can put it on, and you can adjust it to your head size. So I really did like that. It almost feels like human hair construction, because that's how a lot of the human hair wigs come in. But I'm loving this unit, you guys. The texture is giving like premium HD fibers. It's not silky, it's not yucky, it's like right in the middle. I'm loving the hidden highlight right here. The wig size is definitely big head friendly. I had to go in and tighten it in a lot for my head, and sometimes I feel like I have a pretty big head, but I have a medium sized head. And I'm loving how I just kept the middle part, but it's a free part. You could do a side, you could do left side, right side, you could do a curve. I just kept the middle part because it was just easier for me. And y'all, I can honestly say this, a plop and go. If you are familiar with my channel, you know I love me some plop and goes, and I don't like to do a lot of work. So the only thing that I did was I just put some of my Fenty contour stick in the color Espresso along the hairline. I just darkened it in. It blends in effortlessly. I think the key to, you know, getting the best out of your hairline is to go in with a shade darker than your skin. So I just use my contour stick, and that's how it's able to blend in effortlessly with my skin tone. And then I went in with my Fenty foundation in the middle. I did darken up the middle a little bit. I feel like the part was just a little too wide. And that was it, y'all. That was it. I am loving this hair. It's soft. I'm loving the length. It doesn't have the length on here, actually. It's heat safe up to 400 degrees. What else? The cap is breathable mesh. As a wig band, silicone lining. It does, I seen that. The silicone is like on the end so it doesn't slip. And yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. So this unit does not have a price yet. I looked online, I have not seen a price yet, but I will have one in the description box below, or it might be in the title. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And I will see you guys next time. Namaste.